friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to look at the best curbside deals this week over at Walgreens. If you wish to get a free 8x10 photo, you would order it through the app. Use the code 8X10 deal. This is valid right through Tuesday the 26th, and one free 8x10 per customer. So first thing we're going to do is talk about curbside. Like, what is this? You're either ordering it through the app or a desktop computer through your Walgreens app, and we're opting for that blue box on the left-hand side, which is pickup. So typically, costs are a little bit less. Any deal with a register reward, you have to do that in store, but certain deals with Walgreens Cash, yes, you can do them via this curbside pickup. Okay, deal number one. If you can track this down, might be a little tall order, is 2 of these Bulldog body washes. Very difficult to find, but we're going to put 2 in a basket at $7.49 a pop. In store, this is a lot more. So that's $14.98. We have this 7 off 2 digital coupon, so please make sure you have that loaded, plus an IVC, $3 off, so you know that is an IVC coupon, so load this as well. And then to get the basket right to 10, we need to get this guy also, which is $1.99 Epsom salt. With the IVC, it's going to dip down less than 10, so that's why we need to add this guy, and we have a $1.50 digital coupon. Alternatively, if you've already used this, just grab some candy bars, the single candy bars, and there's like 50-cent and 25-cent coupons. Now, just to show you the $3 IVC off twice, the $1.50 for the Epsom salt, and the 7 off 2 for the Bulldog right there. And this is so much cheaper to do it curbside. I think in store it's really expensive for those Bulldog products. So the subtotal is $16.97. We have some IVCs. We also have the manufacturer coupons right there. So the new total is $3.13. I would definitely use $3 in Walgreens Cash and pay 13 cents and call this a day. What a fantastic deal. Okay, curbside deal number 2. We're going to have to get a little bit creative here because I used the digital coupons, but I'll explain it perfectly. We're going to grab 2 of these Colgate mouth rinses. I'm going to say to go with the mouthwash or mouth rinse because it's something that we barely get with coupons. We get toothbrushes and paste all the time, but not so much mouthwash. So let's grab 2 of these. Also going to load this 4 off of 2 digital coupon, and yes, the mouth rinse is in fact included. And the promotion this week for all of these Colgate products priced at $3.99 is buy 2, get $4 in Walgreens Cash. How lovely is that? To get the basket right to $10, let's throw in 2 of these Epsom salts. If you're an avid bather, you know the value here, even for like $1.99 on a BOGO 50% off. So looking at the basket, our subtotal is $10.96. Curbside pickup is free. We have our tax there, $1.49, which is the Epsom salt coupon. Also pretend that it's $5.49 because we are throwing in that 4 off of 2 for the Colgate. So that's where I was like, get creative. So the new subtotal is $6.13. You get back $4 in Walgreens Cash. If you wish to use $5 in Walgreens Cash and pay $1.13, you will get that $4 of Walgreens Cash back. And it might take like 2 hours to 24 hours after you do the pickup to see that in your account. Just to note that. Next deal that we have, if you can line this one up perfectly, it's a really great deal for some inexpensive Nexus. If you might have this booster, which is $5 of Walgreens Cash when you spend $20, unfortunately, again, to show you guys this deal, I've already spent mine, so I can't show it to you, but it's going to work. We're going to grab 2 of the shampoos priced at $11.99. So the subtotal there is $23.98. We have our little friend, which is an 8 off of 2 for the Nexus shampoo, so please make sure you have that guy loaded. Okay, so the overall basket is $23.98. The promotion with Nexus this week is to spend $20, get back $10. 50% return. We have a free pickup, the tax, and the 8 off of 2. So the total that you have to charge to your debit card is $17.42. As this is a spend offer, spend $20, get back $10 on Nexus. And then you're going to get back $15.42 in Walgreens Cash, $10 for spending $20, and then $5 for the booster, making this $2 and some change. Remember not to use any Walgreens Cash to pay down the balance, as both you have a booster and a spend offer. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at is with the STEM products. So this one is a hornet and yellow jacket insect killer. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes for a household you need these sort of products, especially if you live like, I live out in the country, and you never know when these hornets are going to show up, and they need their specific medicine. We have this very generous $8.99 off of 2 digital coupon that popped up yesterday, so definitely load it. And with this digital coupon, I would absolutely check Ibotta through the week. If a rebate might pop up. So grabbing 2 of these, that's $17.98, free curbside pickup. We have some tax there. The $8.99 is coming off. So the new total is $10.07. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay 7 cents for the 2. I think it's just a super smart use of some Walgreens cash. And if you ever have like a wasp nest or something like that pops up, this is something that you're going to need. And paying like, $15 for some of this spray is just not very much fun, and I've been there a couple times. The last deal that we're going to look at, please don't get too mad at me because this is kind of a contradictory basket. We're going to grab some of these Splenda Diabetic Care Shakes for $9.99. This is sold in larger stores, so if you live in a tiny town with 3 things on the shelf, you're probably not going to find this. It's in bigger cities, but yeah, we're going to grab this. We have a $4 digital coupon off of this specific product, so if you want to donate this, or if you know somebody with diabetes or who's pre-diabetic, this is a really good stock-up item. We're also going to grab a candy bar, so I'm such a contradiction. So $1, and then we have a 50-cent off of a Mars Wrigley. So we're going to load that digital coupon. So looking at the basket, it's $10.99 for both the shakes and the 1 candy bar. Free curbside pickup. No tax because this is considered food. $4.50 in digital manufacturers coming off right there. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.49. And then Ibotta has a $3 rebate on these shakes. So if you're not considering the Walgreens cash that you're spending, it will be $3.49 for the 2 items. And here it is, my friend, $3 with the Ibotta rebate. I would absolutely, make an application for this. If you can line this up and you have this in stock at your store and this is something that you need, it's a really great deal. Okay, guys, so before I take off, this is really weird, and I just wanted to throw this out there. I know there's a lot of different people that watch my videos, from very experienced couponers to shoppers who are, you just play on the app all the time. Last night around 9 o'clock, all of the Nexus hairsprays, shampoos, it should be $11.99. It was $7.19. I was very stupidly watching a movie with my husband, so I'm like, I will put my order in the next morning. For whatever reason, on Sunday night, it was at this price, which is really weird. And it wasn't an employee price that sometimes pops up for me, because the employee price will pop up, but then when you go to checkout, it's like the regular price for a curbside deal. But this showed up at $7.19. If you are not so keyed up with the Nexus deal, if this pops up again, I'm going to go buy 3 of them right away and do my deal because it'll be free even without a booster. But this is very, very strange. If you guys might have a thought or an idea on this, I don't know if the Walgreens app is messing with me at 9 o'clock at night when I'm watching really bad Lifetime movies, but this just popped up and I didn't move on it very quickly, and then the next day $11.99. So is my mind playing tricks? I have this screenshot, but it's very, very strange. Let me know if you saw this yesterday too in the app. As always, we'll talk to you guys later, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.